Hi, welcome to uh, this short episode of YouTube Live, and this is first time I'm doing on this kind of thing. So today was mayhem happening in the market, and I really come across this line: when the U.S. market sneezes, the Indian market gets cold. Now, today's entire situation I've been just observing from past morning sessions, and this entire situation is linked to Japan currency, the yen. Now, I will just share you the sequence of event, what has happened exactly, so that you will get an idea and why I'm staying there, stay long invested for such things. 2 weeks ago, when the Japanese yen, that's the currency of Japan, was trading as 165 yen for $1, meaning $1 was equivalent to 165 yen. Because $1 is equal to 165 yen. Interest rates in Japan, as you might be knowing, have been zero for past 30 years and resulting in absolutely zero interest on loans as well. That's incredible news as well. And so many organizations like funds and hedge funds took advantage of the situation by borrowing large amount from Japan and investing those funds in US markets. Now they benefited from the zero interest loans and the dollar has been steadily rising against the yen. Now, additionally, because these investments were substantial, like there was a huge investments, most hedge funds were protecting their positions by shorting the yen. Now, these are the terms which is used in the trader language. Okay, so similar to selling call options to generate even more profit. Now, everything was going perfectly fine, but like always says this, like always a downfall is there, right? People are making easy money for years, which is why Japan has become the largest investor in US market, fueled by interest-free money. But then the last week, the Bank of Japan, which is like our RBI, Reserve Bank of India, they decided to increase the interest rate by 25 basis points after more than 30 years. That is amazing and breaking news. And this decision changed everything. As a result, zero interest money was no longer at zero interest. Existing loans became incurring additional cost, and consequently, most funds that has taken these interest-free loans and invested in the U.S. markets have started selling their assets to raise capital and close the loans. Now, this coincided with an already overbought US market, leading to a significant sell-off. Now, as a result, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the DJI, fell almost by 2,000 points in just 2 to 3 days. You can just look it in the market as well. Now, following the interest rate increase, the yen began to rise against the dollar, reaching a value of $1 is equal to 145 yen. The previously it was 165 when I started a discussion. Today, if you see, this represented a substantial appreciation of the currency in just 2 days. Now, most of those who have shortened the yen, as mentioned, the point number four, what I said, to cover the positions, the rapid rise of the yen means their call options became extremely volatile, akin to the fluctuations seen in the Sensex. Now consider this. Just for example, if you shorten the N and taken a loan when the rate was $1 is equal to 165 N, and then you invested in the US market, the sudden appreciation of the yen to $1 is equal to 145 N means you facing a direct loss of approximately 13% in cross currency terms. So, for example, if you've taken a loan of 16,500 yen, which is equivalent to $100, okay, now which is now worth only $113. So, you have suffered a significant loss despite the absence of interest. And in such a situation, what you will do if you're thinking of selling your assets to escape the financial pressure, what comes next? The question is, what is the solution to this predicament? Answer is fairly simple. Okay, America need to reduce the interest rates to address this issue. Now, if these rates are rising at one place, it typically creates a ripple effect elsewhere. Also, with a significant issue arising in Japan, a corresponding reaction from the US is likely necessary to bring the balance to the market. Tell me, what is your view on today's market and what you've learned from this thing? Thank you so much and help you.